Hey there Fit Fuel family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that nobody wants to talk about, bad breath. We all know how embarrassing it can be, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some easy tips on how to get rid of bad breath and keep your mouth feeling fresh and clean. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about proper oral hygiene. Brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing daily, and using mouthwash can help prevent bad breath. But did you know that the tongue can also harbor bacteria that cause bad breath? That's right, make sure to brush your tongue or use a tongue scraper to remove any lingering bacteria. Next up, let's talk about what you're putting in your body. Certain foods and drinks can cause bad breath, such as garlic, onions, coffee, and alcohol. While it's okay to indulge in these from time to time, it's important to be mindful of your intake and how it may affect your breath. If you're in a bind and need a quick fix, popping a mint or chewing gum can help mask bad breath temporarily. However, it's important to note that these are not long-term solutions and may not address the underlying cause of bad breath. Lastly, staying hydrated can also help prevent bad breath. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help wash away any bacteria in your mouth and keep your mouth moist. And there you have it, folks. Some easy tips on how to get rid of bad breath. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.